Hi guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's well. Got a Wilson Bohannan solid brass padlock, 44mm. There's a keyway. I apologize for the camera, guys. Hopefully you're getting something soon. I'm going to go into this thing, bottom of the keyway. With a Southork Max. And go right to the back. Wow. Interesting. Let's lock that up again. I do have the key. It's a working lock. Let's try that again. So bottom of the keyway. Southork Max. Go right back to the back. Very light tension, and that's it, guys. The Wilson Bohannan 44mm padlock. And there's the key, 5-pin. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks to all for the support, and see you soon.